Deputy Eamon Gilmore. Deputy Gilmore without interruption, please.
Cancorda, I understand that the live register figures for the numbers unemployed for the month of June will be published later this morning. Can I ask the Taoiseach if he has those figures and if he will inform the House the number of people who are now on the live register?
Deputy Gilmore.
452,822, was it you said?
82.
82. That's the highest number of people ever unemployed in the state. That's 300,000 more than were on the live register when the general election took place in May of 2007. That's 100,000 jobs lost each year that your government in its present form has been in office, 2,000 a week. That's not counting the numbers of people who have left the country, both immigrants who have gone home and young Irish people who have emigrated to Australia and elsewhere. Taoiseach, the biggest crisis that this country is facing at the moment is the level of unemployment. I said to you 2 weeks ago that according to the CSO figures, 40% of those who are out of work are now out of work for more than a year. 1 in every 3 young men in the workforce is out of work. It is impacting on the levels of poverty that these households are experiencing. It is impacting on the self-esteem and the morale of the individuals who are out of work. It is the cause of huge worry to parents who wonder if their children are going to get work and who are worried about them having to emigrate again. And of course, it is impacting hugely on the public finances because every person who is out of work is a cost of about €20,000 to the state in terms of tax lost and social welfare payments and so on. Can I ask you, Taoiseach, when is the government going to take the issue of unemployment and getting people back to work seriously? The numbers that you have quoted, increases in back to education allowance, I mean, it's marginal compared to what is happening. Can you give you one example? The unemployment exchange in my constituency is side by side with a college of education, where the numbers going into it have been capped. We're in a situation now where increased numbers of people are out of work, no active measures are being taken by the government to get people back to work, and there's very little being done to get them into education and training either.